Are you looking for the best Spectrum routers? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best Spectrum routers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Netgear Nighthawk C7800. Want to get a gateway device for either the Spectrum Internet or Internet Ultra plans? Check out the Netgear Nighthawk C7800. This thing is seriously fast for a modem/router combo. We managed to hit a speed of 513.64 Mbps, making it a great option for 2 of the 3 Spectrum plans. The range of this device is okay at around 80 to 90 feet. This should be enough for a medium-sized apartment, but you might struggle to keep hold of a connection in a larger home. Excitingly though, you'll get DOCSIS 3.1 with this router instead of the older protocol DOCSIS 3.0. This is going to offer you better performance and will future-proof you more so than budget routers. It's still only Wi-Fi 5 instead of Wi-Fi 6, but the speed you get with it means that doesn't really matter. Impressive performance. Number 2. Asus RT AX88U. Any Spectrum Fiber customer that just wants to get a router and forget about should consider the Asus RT AX88U. During our tests, it reached 927.17 Mbps from 5 feet and 571.36 from 25 feet using the 5 GHz band. These are impressive speeds that will be enough for any Spectrum plan. Even the gigabit one. Range-wise, the RT AX88U also excelled. Reaching about 100 to 110 feet, it's hard to measure. This will be enough for any but the largest homes. And if you need more coverage, you can use ASUS AI Mesh. This allows you to add another ASUS router or Wi-Fi extender to increase the range seamlessly, meaning you won't have to switch networks when moving about your home. The features on the router are also great, providing QoS and parental controls for free. Number 3. TPLink A75 AX5400. Looking for an option as a gamer? Look no further, the TPLink A75 AX5400 is a perfect option for you. Powered by Wi-Fi 6E, the newest type of Wi-Fi technology, it reached 981.49 Mbps from 5 feet in our tests. This speed would theoretically be enough for more than 20 gaming sessions simultaneously. And as the TP-Link A75 is Wi-Fi 6E, it is powered by 3 bands. This means it can handle a lot of devices, 30 plus. So it's perfect for you with a busy home network. The features on the routers are also excellent. It has both parental controls and QoS, so you can easily turn the QoS setting to prioritize gaming. This will make sure you will have as low latency as possible, and that other activities won't interfere with the gaming session. Range-wise, the router is also great, reaching about 100 to 110 feet. This will be enough for any but the largest homes. Number 4. Asus ZenWiFi AX6600. Those who like the idea of mesh but want to reach the fastest speeds, with great features too, should consider the Asus ZenWiFi AX6600. This is a brilliant mesh system for customers of any Spectrum plan. Even if you have Spectrum Gig, the ZenWiFi will do you well. The top speed we managed to record in your tests with this system was 836.45 Mbps. That's rapid for any form of router and will be more than enough for even a small or medium-sized business. Another great factor for the performance of the AX6600 is the fact that it's a tri-band system. It has a second 5 GHz band that's used as a backhaul band to improve the connection between the satellites. This means that if you add a whole lot of satellites to your mesh system, you'll still be able to get fast speeds. The only downside to the performance, and probably to the system as a whole, is its performance on the 2.4 GHz band. We only managed to score a speed of 184.02 Mbps here, which is a bit slower than the competition. That's not a massive deal for most people though. Like most ASUS products, the ZenWiFi has really good features. Again, you'll get AI Protection Pro for life. That means brilliant parental controls and antivirus to have the maximum control and protection over your home network. Adaptive QoS comes with this system too, allowing priority devices to be selected to squeeze out the best performance. As you might have expected, the cost of the AX6600 is a little high. But considering what you get for the price, I think it offers very good value. Number 5. Asus RT AX86U. If you have the Spectrum Internet Gig plan and a medium-large home, the Asus RT AX86U could be the best option for you. Interestingly, the top speed of this router isn't as quick as our top pick overall, the RT AX3000. We managed to clock a speed of 784.09 Mbps. Of course, this is still quick, but it is beaten by some other routers. However, at range, the RT AX86U performs better. At the 50 feet mark, it still managed a speed of 470.55 Mbps, which is very impressive. That means your whole family could get more than enough bandwidth around the home. And indeed, the overall range is better. We found it to be around 100 to 110 feet. That puts it up there with the best of the best routers overall. You won't find a natural range much better than that, especially for the price. If you want to take it even further, you can do so thanks to AI Mesh. This feature allows users to add mesh satellites to their network, extending its range indefinitely. Other great features include AI Protection Pro. This is a bundle of parental controls and antivirus technology that you'll get free for life. It'll enable you to keep your network as safe as possible as well as the people who use it. Plus, there's Adaptive QoS. You can use this to assign profiles to your devices in order to get the best network performance from them. Number 6. TPLink Archer A8. Right now, the best budget router for Spectrum Internet plans has to be the TPLink Archer A8. It's really quick for Wi-Fi 5 and is actually one of the more affordable routers on the market. The top speed for this router isn't incredible at 492.69 Mbps. But, for Wi-Fi 5, that's pretty fast. Nonetheless, it probably rules out those who have the fastest Spectrum plans. But, it's still good for the Internet Ultra plan of 500 Mbps. And, it's still enough speed for most families. Excitingly, the A8 manages to hold onto its speed quite well as you move further away. We ran the same test again from 5 feet and still managed to achieve 457.28 Mbps. That means it overtakes quite a few more expensive models at this range. The overall range tops out at around 80 to 90 feet. It could be better, but it's pretty good for a router this affordable. It should still be enough for a large apartment or small/medium-sized home. Surprisingly, you can boost that range seamlessly thanks to one mesh. It's really rare to see mesh functionality on a router this affordable, so hats off to TP-Link for that addition. In terms of other features, the A8 does okay for the price. You'll be able to set up this router and control its settings with ease thanks to a free app called TP-Link Tether. It's definitely worth grabbing this. However, the QoS and parental controls for the A8 are rather limited. You'll be able to assign priority devices and control site access in the most limited ways, but the features are nowhere near as customizable as more expensive TP-Link models. One downside of this router is that there are no USB ports. You won't be able to plug in any external hardware, like a printer, here. Another great perk of this router is that it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. This means that TP-Link will take care of any manufacturer faults for as long as you own the router. Number 7. Asus RT AX3000. Asus's RT AX3000, or RT AX58U, is just about our favorite router right now in terms of value for money. As such, I think it's the best option for Spectrum customers on any plan. Firstly, there's the speed. We tested it using a Wi-Fi 6 device at a distance of 5 feet from the router and managed to clock in an incredible 889.41 Mbps. That's seriously fast. This kind of speed would be more than enough for a large family or even a small business. It'd also be plenty for any spectrum plan. From 50 feet away, it still does pretty good. Here, we managed a speed of 415.11 Mbps. This also beats a lot of the competition. The features are great too. All owners will get AI Protection Pro, which is a brilliant bundle of antivirus technology and boutique parental controls. You'll be able to protect any little ones using the network, and your network as a whole. Another great feature is adaptive QoS. Using the ASUS Router app, or your desktop computer, you'll be able to select priority devices on the network. This will give them a boost of performance by throttling the bandwidth of other connected devices. In fact, the only real downside to this router is that the overall range is a little short. We found it to be around 80 to 85 feet, and that falls quite far shy of some of the competition. It seems to drop off quite quickly at this point despite maintaining good speeds before. Nonetheless, you can get around this by using a feature called AI Mesh. This allows you to add mesh satellites to your network, extending its range seamlessly. You might want to think about using this if you have a larger apartment or house.